Welcome to the Sunfixings XL clamp installation video. In this video we will guide you through the correct installation of the Sunfixings XL clamp. The XL clamp is designed to accommodate solar panels with thicknesses of 30mm or 35mm. Ensure you select the appropriate height based on your panel specifications. At the top of the T-bolt you will find a notch that indicates its direction. Follow these steps to insert and align it properly. Insert the T-bolt into the rail. Hand tighten while ensuring that the notch is positioned 90 degrees to the rail. If the T-bolt is not aligned correctly, loosen the nut and adjust it to the correct position before proceeding. Tighten the nut using either hand tools or a T45 tool. For convenience, a T45 drill bit is included with every order where clamps are required. Important, do not use high-speed power tools or impact drivers as this may damage the centre of the nut. Once the nut is hand tightened, set a torque wrench to 18 Nm or refer to the panel's manufacturer's installation manual for the recommended torque setting. Tighten the clamp until the torque wrench clicks, indicating that the correct torque has been applied. Repeat this process for each clamp to ensure a secure and consistent installation. By following these steps you will achieve a safe and reliable installation of the Sunfixings XL clamp. Thank you for choosing Sunfixings.